2012 Nissan Xterra, 59,000 miles, no accidents, brand new tires, in like new condition, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, running boards. There are the tires, brand new, less than 50 miles on them. We put them on. You'll be hard pressed to find a door ding, rock chip, scratch on the vehicle. Slate gray. Pretty basic Xterra. It does have the running boards. It has power windows, locks and mirrors, cloth interior, original keys, floor mats, power windows and locks, aftermarket Kenwood radio, 59,818 miles at the time of the video. Original floor mats, manual keys. Like new, in and out. Texas vehicle, no rust. Perfect student vehicle. (2012) Nissan Xterra, 58,000 miles in like new condition.